Good morning, YouTube. It is VEDA day 4, and Blakelyn and I are heading to a Big Latch On event this morning. I'm hosting it at the diaper shop that I work at, and I think we're gonna have maybe 5 breastfeeding moms there, and I will be a participant because Blakelyn is still breastfeeding. So with that being said, happy World Breastfeeding Week to everyone. Rock on, feed those babies the way nature intended. Woohoo! Blakelyn is 14 and a half months and she is still breastfeeding 3 or 4 times a day. Sometimes only 2, but 2 at the very least. Definitely when she wakes up in the morning and when she goes to bed at night. But she unfortunately doesn't nurse to sleep. We've been having some sleep issues lately. After the move, she just does not want me to put her down or leave her or put her in her crib or go near her crib. So I basically just lay with her and she crawls on me, bruh. This is stupid. Why am I talking about this? I don't know. So yes, Big Latch On. Should be a good time. A good minute of breastfeeding and raising your hand. So maybe I'll put some footage in here. I don't know if I'll have a chance because I have a few bags to carry and paperwork to deal with and coffee to drink. There is coffee that needs to be drank. Boy, I'm tired. I've been so tired lately. I don't know why. Probably because my child stays up till 10 or 11 at night. Ugh. I don't know. I really have nothing else to say. So if I get footage, it'll be right here. If I don't, then happy World Breastfeeding Week. Happy VEDA Day 4. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye. Hi. Hi, Blakelyn. Hi. No? Okay.